So how much money you have? You have 20 rupees. How much you have? 20 rupees. Okay. And you go to the shopkeeper and ask how much a Lay's packet cost you. How much a Lay's packet cost you. So he says it cost you 15 rupees. How much?
15 rupees.
Okay. So you have 20 rupees. So how much you should give out of this? How much you should give for this? For that Lay's packet?
Ma'am, we should give all the 20 rupees and get a Lay's packet and 5 rupees.
Excellent, Arjun. You are very, very intelligent. Okay. You are very intelligent. You have picked up very fast. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay. Let's see how much you have understood. Now you have 30 rupees. How much you have?
30 rupees.
Okay. Now you go to the market and you say, I want a bigger packet of chips. Okay. You want a big family packet of chips. So you decide to ask how much that cost. Okay. You went to the shopkeeper and he said, you have to pay me 40 rupees. How much you have to pay me? 40
rupees.
But you have only, how much you have?
30.
So how much more money you need? How much more money you need?
10 rupees, ma'am, we more need to buy the family pack of chips.
Wonderful, Arjun. You're very intelligent. Wonderful. Okay. So you went home and you said, Mama, give me 10 more rupees to buy a Lay's packet. So your mama gives you 5 coins. How much she gives you?
5 coins.
And wonderful. But unfortunately, you didn't take them in your pocket. Okay, you didn't keep them in your pocket. And unfortunately, you dropped one coin. You dropped one 5 rupees coin. So how much you are left with? How much you are left with?
5 rupees.
No. How much you are left with? You already had 30 rupees. Your mama gave you another 10 rupees of 5 of each 2 coins. And unfortunately, you dropped one in between. So how much you are left with?
35 rupees, ma'am.
Wonderful. How come we have come to this answer? Why did we conclude it as 35?
Ma'am, because he dropped a 5 rupee coin, and that's why I minus 40 minus 5.
Wonderful, Arjun. You are super duper intelligent. You're very, very intelligent. Okay. Okay. So, anything from your end you wish to buy something so that I can let you know how to buy?
Ma'am, I want to buy a Cadbury chocolate.
Okay. And how much that cost for?
Ma'am, it costs for 50 rupees.
50 rupees. But Arjun, I have only 40 rupees. How much more should I give you?
10 rupees, ma'am.
10 rupees more I should give you. Okay, I'll come back and give you another 10 rupees. Okay. Okay. So I am going home to get more money. Okay. Now, Arjun, I have these 5 coins. Each is of 2 rupees. Each is of 2 rupees. Does that make 10 rupees by any chance?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see. How much is this?
2.
Okay. And how much is this? See? Can you see?
4.
4. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So the total is 4.
Total is 4. I have another coin. How much is this?
6.
And how much is this? Another coin?
8.
And I have another coin.
Then, ma'am, it's 10.
So if I have 5 coins of 2 rupees, it will make how much money? It will make 10 rupees.
10 rupees, ma'am.
Why will it make 10 rupees? Because,
ma'am, because one coin is for 2 rupees. And
you have 5 coins. So you will multiply them. Do you know multiplication?
Yes, ma'am. I know 5 into, we just have to do like 5 into 2 or 2 into 5. The answer will come as the same, but we just swap the numbers.
Correct. So if I have 5 coins of 2 rupees, it will make 10 rupees. So now I have all the 50 rupees in my hand. Now I can buy a Cadbury from you.
Cadbury chocolate.
Okay. So now one simple question. Okay. One very simple question. Suppose I wish to have 10 rupees. I wish to have 10 rupees, but I have only 1 rupee coin. So how many coins should I have in my hand to make it 10 rupees? I have only 1 rupee.
9 rupees, ma'am.
No, I have only 1 rupee coins. I have with me, I have only 1 rupee. I don't have 2 rupees. I don't have 5. I don't have 10. But I have to give you 10 rupees. How much I have to give you? 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
How many coins? How many coins of 1 rupee should I have to give you 10 rupees?
Ma'am, you need 9 more coins.
Correct. In total, I need 10 coins to make 10 rupees. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Okay. And what all you know, Arjun, sorry. What all you know, Arjun? You know, my son's name is also Arjun.
Ma'am, I know multiplication, I know division, I know all them.
All of them, you know. Wonderful. Okay, great. So, okay. Shall we continue with your counting? Shall we test one more thing? Yeah. Okay, let's see. In your course book, what all is there? Since you have learned the coins, you have completed one full lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Okay. One ball is of 5. One ball is of 5 rupees. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And one football is of 50 rupees. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So how much total money you should have to buy both of them?
55 rupees. 55 rupees.
Wonderful. And suppose I wish to buy 2 balls and 2 footballs. How much money should I have?
Ma'am, 110.
2 balls. Okay, correct. 5 rupees for each ball. Wonderful. Okay, similarly, say ice cream tub is for 100 rupees. Ice cream tub is for 100 rupees. Okay, and I wish to buy 3 of them. I wish to buy 3 of them. How much money
3
should
of
I,
them.
yeah, how much money should I carry?
300.
Wonderful, excellent. Okay, let's see. Suppose you have a toy, you wish to buy a toy of 3,000 rupees. How much? 3,000 rupees. Okay,
3,000.
but you have only 1,800 rupees. You have 1,800 rupees. Okay, how much
Yes,
more
ma'am.
you need? How much more money you need to buy that toy?
2,200, ma'am.
Wonderful, Arjun. You are very, very intelligent, beta. Wonderful.
Ma'am.
No, you have said the wrong answer. Sorry. Can you please subtract it again? You want to buy a toy of 300 rupees, 3,000 rupees. How much? 3,000. Okay. And you have only 1,800. 1,800. So how much money you need more?
Ma'am, I only need 2,200 more, ma'am.
No, you have 1,800 already. You don't have 800. You have 1,800. 1,800 you have. See this. You want to buy a 3,000. You want to buy a toy of 3,000. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have only 1,800. How much you have? 1,800.
Only 1,800.
So how much more money you need? You will subtract them. Okay. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0. So we will do a carry forward. Since 0 is smaller than 8, we'll take 1 from 3 and this will become 2. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is?
2.
Wonderful. Since this 3 has become 2, so 2 minus 1 is?
1. Ma'am, we need 100 rupees.
You need 1,200 rupees to buy that toy. Okay.
Toy.
Great. Okay. Similarly, we'll do something. Okay. Suppose you have 5,000 rupees. Suppose you have 5,000 rupees. Okay. And
Yes,
you wish to buy balls, you wish to buy 5 balls. Okay, each of 100 rupees. Each of 100 rupees. Okay, is 5,000 enough to buy?
Yes, ma'am. 5,000 is enough to buy 5 balls of 100 rupees.
How do we conclude this? How do we conclude this?
Ma'am, we can do 5,000 minus 500.
No. Each ball is of 100 rupees. How much? Each ball. Get a paper. Okay, whenever such question comes, what you have to do? You have to write. Okay, what I'm saying, you have how much money? 5,000. How much money?
500.
5,000. You have 5,000 euro. Okay. You wish to buy 5 balls. How many balls you wish to buy? 5 balls. Okay.
5 balls.
And each cost you 100 rupees because you told me this answer. Correct? Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much this will make? 500. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can buy. Correct? Because 500 is smaller than 5,000. Okay.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
only if I say you wish to buy 1,000 balls. If you wish to buy 1,000 balls, what will be the answer, beta? You have five.
And the answer will
See, you have 5,000 rupees in your hand. You want to buy 5 balls, each of 1,000 rupees. So, do you have enough money?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what will be the amount you will be paying to the shopkeeper, beta?
5,000, ma'am.
Wonderful. Oh, great. You are very intelligent. Next time you can go shopping with your papa or mummy to buy something and then you can do the calculation.
Okay, ma'am.
So what all you learn better in the class? In maths class, what have you learned?
Ma'am, in the last class, ma'am made me teach like math and all those.
Okay, in maths, what exactly did you learn?
Ma'am, I learned fun with numbers.
Okay. Did you learn odd numbers or even numbers?
No, ma'am, I didn't learn odd or even numbers.
Okay. Okay. So we'll do a small exercise. Okay. This is very easy. You are going to learn way earlier than others can, and you will be the one. If the teacher will ask you what is odd number, you'll be like, okay, I know everything. Okay. So you'll be the topper. Okay. Let's try. You know two
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm leaving actually. So before you wind up the session, take a feedback of Arjun as part of the recording, okay?
From whom? From Arjun or from the parents?
Arjun is fine because he is taking, that's fine.
Oh,
So I think recording will end after 10 minutes, means
yeah.
session will end. So accordingly, you can take the feedback, okay? I'm leaving.
I'll just take
Yeah,
another.
Arjun, you can, Arjun, you can refer your friends also, okay? Okay,
Okay.
chalo, bye.
Okay. Bye, Sudhir. Okay, Arjun. Okay, so we are going to learn something called odd and even. Okay, do you know two-ka table? Do you know two-ka table?
Yes, ma'am. Table, 3 ka table, 4 ka table, 5 ka table, 6 ka table, 7 ka table, 8 ka table, 9 ka table.
Okay, just tell me two-ka table. Just recite two-ka table. Fatafat.
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20.
Excellent. So you know what? All the numbers which come in two-ka table. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These all are even numbers. What are they? They are even numbers.
Yes,
Anything,
even number.
correct. Anything which is dividable, okay, which can be divided by 2 is even number. Any other number, say 0, 1, 3, 7, they all are odd numbers because they are not friendly with 2. Why they are odd numbers? Because they are not friendly with 2. Because they cannot be, you multiply any number to any number, you will not get 3. If you multiply 2 by 2 into 1, what is the answer, beta? 2 into 1 is 2.
Ma'am, can I take a break of 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure. Please carry on. Numbers. We always play that game, na odd man out. Correct? Those who are little different, we keep them out. So those are known as odd numbers. All those numbers who are friendly with 2 are even numbers. Okay, I'll give you an example. 13 is not multiplied. 13 is not a result of any 2 multiplication. So it is a odd number. Okay. 22. 22 is multiple by 2. Correct? Okay. Just last 2 minutes. We are about to finish. Don't worry. We are about to end. Okay. I'll give you a cheat. I'll give you a cheat whether you can tell whether it is an odd number or even number. We'll try this. Okay. Close your hand. Close your hand. Like this. Can you see? Here there is a bump, there is a bump, there is a bump, there is a bump. Can you feel that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see
Yes, ma'am.
there is a hole, there is a hole, there is a hole. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we will start with odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So everything which is going inside is even. Everything, these upper ones are odd. Okay?
Odd.
This is a cheat code which I am telling you. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So all the numbers which are coming on this heap, they are odd numbers. All the numbers which are inside are even numbers.
Okay.
Hello, Manish. How's it going?
I think you have to give a feedback.